If you have a potato at home, make this delicious dinner. Let's start by cutting a potato in this way. If you want to keep receiving our recipes, don't forget to interact with this video. That way you won't miss a single recipe. In a frying pan, add a drizzle of oil. Put the potatoes in to fry. Let them fry for about 3 minutes. Chop up half an onion. Take the opportunity to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Add the onion to the potatoes. Add salt to taste. Pepper to taste. Sauté everything for about 3 minutes. Set the potatoes and onion aside on a plate. Cut up a sausage. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know how it turned out. Place the sausages in the same pan as the potatoes and onions. Let them fry well for about 2 minutes, then set aside. In a bowl, add 3 eggs. Chop the spring onions to taste. Don't forget to rate this recipe at the end of the video so I know how you liked it. Add the chives to the eggs. Add the potatoes and onion to the same bowl. Add a teaspoon of salt. Black pepper to taste. Mix everything together very well. This recipe will surprise you, delicious and easy. In the same pan, add a drizzle of oil. Now just add these ingredients to the pan. Add the sausages. Cook for 5 minutes. And our recipe is ready. It was simply delicious. The easiest and quickest snack to prepare. Thanks for watching. Keep following us every day. Bon appetit!